Hey everyone, this is the Next Archer, and I went to Knob Creek last night, and got a couple knives. Then I went to a gun and knife show today. Only got one thing from the gun and knife show today, so I'll just add that into what I got at Knob Creek. So, let's show two Benchmades I picked up first. They are both red class, as you can see. $25 a piece, and they are the same thing, the mini Picas. So these are, I'll just open this one, Benchmade red class, half serrated black. They sell on eBay for about 50 bucks a piece, so that's a pretty good deal. Got them both for $50 total. Both first production, both look new in box. I was thinking I might give one of these away, not sure yet. I also got from that same guy a Spyderco, but it's not a Spyderco Endura. For some reason it came with this box, which I don't know, I might see if I can trade this box to somebody or something like that. But it was the Spyderco Assist. Nice wire clip. The blade itself hardly looks like it was used, but he sold me this for $30. The reason why, I'm guessing, is right there on the scale is cracked. The whistle works. If you push this in, little glass breaker comes out, as you can see right there. I'm going to send it into Spyderco at some point and see if they'll replace the handle scales. So got that for 30 bucks. Great deal. It's about an $80 to $90 knife. Okay. Next is, got two smoke grenades. Just got them for the fun of it. You pull the string, throw it, and smoke comes out the top. Got two of those. Those were two for $5. So I'm going to show one on video and just keep the other one around as kind of a souvenir. Video of the actual shoot will be coming up if I already haven't posted it. The first thing I had actually bought when I was there was something my dad had found, and a zero tolerance knife stand. Show kind of how that works. Just like that. And a Kershaw knife stand. This one's pretty cool. They're pretty dirty though, as you can see. Pretty nasty, so we have to clean those up. I also got a Columbia River knife and tool stand. And that was $20. $20. What I got today at a gun and knife show was a K-bar dozer. This is the P-hat or whatever. It was $35. Thought this was actually the D2 version, but turns out it's not. It's AUS 6. Still very nice micarta handles. Opens and closes very nicely. Oh, before you guys think that I'm crazy for paying $20 for this, there's three more. So I have a total of 28 different stands. A lot of them are still in their packages. Kershaw, mostly zero tolerance ones, you can see. Just a few Kershaw ones, I think 3. Then the rest are zero tolerance. So, it's pretty neat. I only have one zero tolerance knife though. So, definitely be giving away 1 or 2 of these in the future, which you guys should look forward to. I looked these up and they're about $7 a piece online usually. So, I'm thinking I got a good deal. So, I will see you guys later. And that's my stuff I got at Knob Creek Machine Gun Shoot. A lot of these little zero tolerance knife displays. Bye for now.